Learn a language in lockdown through song and rap. 5 minutes a day. And today we're learning our food in Italian food, macaroni, ravioli. You'd be amazed how much Italian you know already, because just through the food that you eat. So let's just see how we get on. Macaroni, ravioli. Macaroni, we have that with cheese, don't we, quite often? And ravioli, those little square things of pasta with all sorts of interesting things inside. Macaroni, ravioli. Let's see how we get on with that. Macaroni, ravioli, 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 macaroni, ravioli. Molto bene. Now let's have a look what else we might know already from what we eat every day. So we have macaroni, ravioli, pizza. We all know what a pizza is, don't we? Pizza. These are all Italian. This is all Italian. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta. Oh, that's actually penne pasta. It's those tubes of pasta, penne pasta, but we'll call it just pasta. So we've got macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pizza, pasta, pizza, pasta, e. That's and in Italian. E. E is and in Italian. And here we have ragu. Ragu, which is the sauce, that nice saucy stuff that you put on your pasta. So we got macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragu. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Try that. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Macaroni, ravioli. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Pizza, pasta. Pizza, pasta. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Macaroni, ravioli. Pizza, pasta e ragu, e ragu. Pizza, pasta. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Molto bene. Molto bene. Macaroni, ravioli. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Macaroni, ravioli. Pizza, pasta e ragu. Ragu. Now, let's try this next bit. Now, it's a sort of sandwich that you find in Italian, in Italian food. Tramezzini. You might not have come across that before. Tramezzini, 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 tramezzini. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragu, tramezzini. E, because that's and again, e. Now I think you've all probably had one of these before. Panini. A panini. It's one of those lovely sort of toasty things that you put in the toaster, and it has all sorts of melted cheese and ham and all sorts of things inside. Panini. 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 Tramezzini e panini. Tramezzini e panini. Tramezzini e panini. Tramezzini e panini. Let's try that one. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù. Tramezzini e panini. Tramezzini e panini. Tramezzini e panini. Tramezzini, tramezzini. Tramezzini, tramezzini. Tramezzini e panini. Panini, panini. Tramezzini e panini. Tramezzini e panini. Molto bene. Molto bene. So we've got macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù, tramezzini e panini. What's next? Something else we might have known already? Now, this is a very creamy substance. It's called panna cotta, and they call it in Italian quite often. It's just abbreviated to panna. It's creamy, a creamy sort of dessert. Panna. So we have tramezzini e panini, panna, e, because that's and, e. Do we know what this is? This is a very popular, well-known Italian dessert. Tiramisu. 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 Panna e tiramisu. Panna e tiramisu. Panna e tiramisu. Let's try that last one. Panna e tiramisu. Panna e tiramisu. Panna e tiramisu. Panna e tiramisu. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù, tramezzini e panini, panna e tiramisu. 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 Molto bene. Molto bene. Whew. Should we see if we can do the whole lot now? Let's see how we get on. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù, tramezzini e panini, panna e tiramisu. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù, tramezzini e panini, panna e tiramisu. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù, tramezzini e panini, panna e tiramisu. Molto bene. Molto bene. Right, now we're going to try with the words. Let's see how we get on with that. There's the macaroni, and here we go. Macaroni, pizza, pasta e ragù. Let's sing along with some other people. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù.
Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù, tramezzini e panini, panna e tiramisu. Macaroni, ravioli, pizza, pasta e ragù,
Yum!
tramezzini e panini, panna e tiramisu.
Molto bene. What have we got here? You know what's coming. Download the free resources here. Ciao!